I pass to the dog, I'm starting accelerating my motor. Starting accelerating, then because there's many house there, and if there's many houses alongside, possible there's many dogs, many cats, like that. Then I always go slowly, like 25 to 30 speed. But when I go, it's 30. When I got to 30, I knew it because I was minding the speed that I am and also the time because I am late already. And then when I become accelerate to go farther, 30, like 31 or 35, like that, when I started accelerating, someone touched my what's this? Manubela? What is the thing, the lemon, what is that, the name of that? The manibela that I am holding. Someone touching or just bumping. This is my manibela, and the other person like do this, just this. Did you see my hand? It's like it's murdered. Anyway, and then I just black out maybe because I don't remember until the handlebars